When I was in Korea early this year, I noticed a lot of cars, 90% of them had dash cams in them. They were almost always in the front, but sometimes they had cameras in the front and back. I've done video reviews on dash cams. I find them very helpful. So here are 7 good reasons why you might want to invest and buy a dash cam. And thanks to my friends over at theintelligentdriver.com for the inspiration and content for this article. Let's get started. Number 1, they're great for recording a road trip. When it comes to the scenic road trips, dash cams can be a great tool for capturing the moment. Since you can't take out your phone or camcorder while driving, a dash cam is the best option for recording footage. It may not even be the scenery that you want to capture. All kinds of eventful things can happen on the road during a long trip, which you'll be able to share proof of with your friends after the fact. Number 2, they can help you make a claim after an accident. One of the most popular reasons for buying a dash cam is having legal evidence to use in the event of an accident. If the accident was the fault of the other driver, you have the video footage to prove it that it was their fault. This could help your case if you need to hire an accident attorney. It could even help you to catch a driver's license plate on their car if they fail to stop and exchange details after the accident. And my cameras and my reviews I've done, you can see the license plate clearly. Number 3, they can help you report other criminal behavior on the road. Have you ever witnessed someone else's dangerous driving and wish you had the footage so you can give it to police? Having a dash cam allows you to record any criminal behavior on the road so that justice can be served. In fact, dash cams have been massively helpful in stomping down on criminal behavior on the roadways. Number 4, they can protect you against fraud. If somebody steals your license plate number and commits a criminal offense on the road, having dash cam footage can prove that you weren't the driver and that you were a victim of fraud. This can save you having to rely on closed-circuit TV for evidence, which can often be difficult and expensive to obtain. Dash cams can lower your insurance rates. Some insurers are now offering discounts to drivers with dash cams. If you're trying to save money on your insurance, this could be a great incentive to buy one, and you can get them for as little as $100. They can also help you to monitor drivers using your car. If someone else is driving your car and you want to watch what they're doing, a dash cam can come in real handy there. Perhaps you have kids, that's what I'm talking about, who are new drivers and want to monitor them to check that their driving is safe. Also, if you're a business owner and have fleet vehicles that your employees drive, you may want to watch their driving habits to check that they're driving economically as well as safely. And finally, I alluded to this earlier, they're getting cheaper, less than $100 in some cases. Nowadays, these gadgets are very affordable. I'll put a link in the description below because sometimes if you find the right one and it's not too techy, you can get it for under $50. If you've been put off by the cost until now, you may want to have another look at what's out there. Suffice to say, I highly encourage you to look into getting a dash cam, whether it's a dual dash cam, front and back, or at least just the front. Again, thanks to my friends over at theintelligentdriver.com for the inspiration and information about this. I'll put a link to the full story in the description below this video. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson with Everyman Driver. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you back here next time. Adios. One more thing before you go, I've added links to some of the best-selling automotive accessories on Amazon right now, along with links to some of my product reviews. You'll find it in the description below this video.